The world will change when good people like you find the courage to speak from your hidden fear and shame and to declare to your family and friends, "I'm sorry for what I did to animals in the past. It was wrong of me to eat and exploit them for my personal pleasure. But now I know better and am ready to help end any future suffering. Will you help me? Will you be vegan with me?" And then, when your heartfelt request is met with vegan-phobic silence and ridicule, and after you fall to the floor in disbelief and despair at the newfound strangers you see in front of you, you rise up with shoulders back and get to work anyway. We all deserve the same basic rights as anyone else, and Rose's Law seeks to use civil engagement and civil disobedience to help ensure that everyone, regardless of race, gender, ability, species, or anything else, is granted as much. Animals don't have a Bill of Rights like this yet, but this is what we hope to see in the future. The right to be free, not owned, or to have a guardian acting in their best interest. The right not to be exploited, abused, or killed by humans. The right to have their interests represented in court and protected by the law. The right to a protected home, habitat, or ecosystem. And the right to be rescued from situations of distress and exploitation.
A vegan world, a vegan world, a vegan world is coming soon. A peaceful world, a peaceful world, a peaceful world is coming soon. A vegan world, a vegan world, a vegan world is coming soon. A peaceful world, a peaceful world, a peaceful world is coming soon. A vegan world, a vegan world, a vegan world is coming soon.
If you see value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and write a comment below. Also, if you can, subscribe and press the notification bell and help us get these animals out of hell. Thank you.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's